Do you want to know how you can log out of your Upwork account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your Upwork account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC and go to upwork.com. After you go to upwork.com, make sure that you are logged in. To log out of your account, what you need to do is click on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand side of your screen. You can see log out over here. Go ahead and click on this icon, which is called logout, and then you can successfully log out of your Upwork account. So as you can see that you have now been logged out of your Upwork account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.